We're on vacation, and there's a couple vacation foods that we wanted to show you that you could use. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a toaster quesadilla, and of course, it's vegan. So this is so simple. I'm only making 2 today, but I am using a whole wheat tortilla for each one of them. Get some refried beans, and if they're not real creamy, add water so that they will be very spreadable.
And we happen to find refried beans made out of black beans, so if you're noticing they look a little different, they are.
These tortillas, you have to make sure that there's no holes or bubbles in them because we are cooking them in a toaster. So I'm going to fold my cheese in half. I'm going to put half of it there, and I'm not using that little bit. I don't want my cheese to overlap, so I'll use that later. So simple. Fold this half in, fold this half in, and then bend it.
Ooh.
And again, you have to make sure you don't have any holes. So this is my first one. I'm going to stick in my toaster. I'll make the second one.
I was wondering how you were going to get that in the toaster without making a mess.
Well, I'm hoping we're not making a mess because it's going to be hard to clean if it does. And it's not our toaster. Again, I'm going to just fold it in half. I put half there and I put half there. Fold this in.
Does it matter what temperature your toaster's on?
I would say if you like it dark, make it darker. If you like it light, you know, that's your choice. Fold it gently so you're not getting a crease. Stick it in your toaster. You can see how quick, how easy. Okay, they're finished. If you cannot get these out without sticking something in, make sure you unplug your toaster. And I'm just putting them like that. These you could cool and wrap and take on the trail. And if you're just eating them right now as a snack, I would serve some salsa right beside it. This recipe is so awesome. You don't even have a skillet to clean up when you're done. And there you have it. Those are your quick toaster quesadillas. This is such a quick and easy dish to make. I'm going to take it on the trail for a little bit later today. I'll cool it and wrap it, put some salsa on it. This is so delicious. It's crunchy, it's creamy. The salsa really adds something. So please like, subscribe, and come on back. Hey, Tennessee's a great place to visit.